Why scientists have been studying lichens for years? Do they not get bored? Lichens have and are being used for many different purposes by human cultures on every continent. The most common human use of lichens is for dye, but they are also frequently used for medicine and food. Different human cultures across the world have also found many other novel uses for lichens. And the study of the relationship between lichens and people is called ethnolyconology. Now let's learn about the various uses of lichens. Lichens are a common source of natural dyes. The lichen dye is usually extracted by either boiling water or ammonia fermentation. Although usually called ammonia fermentation, this method is not actually a fermentation and involves letting the lichen steep in ammonia, traditionally even for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Purple dyes from lichens were historically very important throughout Europe from the 15th to 17th centuries. These lichens and the dye extracted from them are called orchilla. The same dye was also produced from Acrolencia species. Many lichens have been used medicinally across the world. A lichen's usefulness as a medicine is often related to the lichen secondary compounds that are abundant in most lichen thalli. Different lichens produce a wide variety of these compounds, most of which are unique to lichens and many of which are antibiotic. It has been estimated that 50% of all lichen species have antibiotic properties. Many lichen extracts have been found to be effective in killing gram-positive bacteria, which included species that cause boils, scarlet fever, and pneumonia. Other lichens commonly featured in folk medicines include Iceland moss and lungwort. One of the most potent lichen antibiotics is arsenic acid. As a result, Osnea species are commonly used in traditional medicines. Lichens have also been used for poisons. Only a few lichens are truly poisonous, with the species of Letharia and Vulpicidia being the primary examples. These lichens are yellow because they have high concentrations of the bright yellow toxin vulpinic acid. Wolf lichen Letharia vulpina was used in Scandinavia to poison wolves. The process begins by adding the lichens to various baits such as reindeer blood and other meats, while sometimes mixing the concoction with ground glass or strychnine. Wolves that ate the concoction were reported to succumb in less than 24 hours. There are records of lichens being used as food by many different human cultures across the world. Lichens are eaten by people in North America, Europe, Asia and Africa, and perhaps elsewhere. Often lichens are merely famine foods eaten in times of dire needs, but in some cultures, lichens are a staple food or even a delicacy. Two problems often encountered with eating lichens is they usually contain mildly toxic secondary compounds and that lichen polysaccharides are generally indigestible to humans. Many human cultures have discovered preparation techniques to overcome these problems. Lichens are often thoroughly washed, boiled or soaked in ash water to help remove secondary compounds. For centuries, lichens have been used for making dyes, medicine, poisons, and they have also been used as food.